Next topic is national parties. A democratic country which follow a federal system will have two kinds of political parties. Number 1, parties that are present in only one of the federal units. Number 2, the parties that are present in several or all units of federation as in India. There are some country-wise parties which are called national parties. These parties have their units in various states. All these units follow the same policies, programs, and strategy that is decided at national level. Every party in the country has to be registered with election commission. Although commission treats all parties equally, still it offers some special facilities to large and established parties. These parties are given a unique symbol that can be used by official candidates of that party. The parties which get these privileges and some other facilities are recognized by the Election Commission. That's why these parties are called recognized political parties. According to Election Commission, the party that secures at least 6% of total votes in an election to Legislative Assembly of State and wins at least 2 seats is recognized as state party. A party that secures at least 6% of total votes in Lok Sabha election or assembly elections in 4 states and wins at least 4 seats in Lok Sabha is recognized as national party. According to this classification, here we are having 7 recognized national parties in the country in 2017. Let's discuss about these one by one. Number 1, AITC, All India Trinamool Congress. It was launched on 1st Jan 1998 under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee. It was recognized as a national party in 2016. The party's symbol is flowers and grass. It was committed to secularism and federalism. It has been in power in West Bengal since 2011. In general elections held in 2014, it got 3.84% votes and won 34 seats. It was the fourth largest party in Lok Sabha. Next party is Indian National Congress, INC. It was founded in 1885, popularly known as Congress Party. It is one of the oldest parties of the world. It was ruling party at the center till 1977 and then from 1980 to 1989. It played a dominant role in Indian politics at the national and state level for several decades after India's independence. It built a modern, secular, democratic republic in India under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. Its ideological orientations are as follow. Party has full faith in secularism. Party aims at the welfare of weaker section and minorities. It supports new economic reforms but with a human face. It is a centralist party, neither rightist nor leftist in its ideology. Next party is BSP, Bahujan Samaj Party. It was formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kanshi Ram. Its ideologies are they want to represent and secure power for Bahujan Samaj that includes Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs and religious minorities. The party get its inspiration from the ideas and teachings of Sahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule, Periyar, Ramswamy and Baba Saheb Ambedkar. They stands for the cause of securing the interest and welfare of Dalits and oppressed people. It has its main base in state of Uttar Pradesh and remarkable presence in neighboring states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi and Punjab. In Lok Sabha elections held in 2014, it polled about 4% votes but did not secure seats in Lok Sabha.